It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C, here to unlock the magic of parallel lines. Today we are looking to find which equation out of these six is parallel to the line y equals 9 minus 5x. Before we get started, a reminder, parallel lines always have the same slope. So, since we know that, our first task is to look at our equation and find the slope. Slope is always the number multiplied by x, and that includes the sign in front of the number. So in this case, -5 is our slope. We could write that as m equals -5. And now my strategy for multiple choice questions is my first step is always going to be to look at that slope. And I'm looking not just for 5, but for -5. So in equation A, our slope is +5. That is not the exact same thing as -5, so this is not parallel. In B, the slope is 1/5, not the same thing as -5, so this line is also not parallel. In C, +5 is the slope. Remember, our slope in our original equation is -5, so this is also not parallel. In D, the slope is really off here. It's -2. What you may notice is the y-intercept on equation D is 9. The y-intercept doesn't actually matter if the slope is different. So D is also not parallel. Equation E, the slope is -5. So this is definitely something we're going to come back and look at. And I noticed the same thing for F. We now have to make sure these lines are parallel and not the same line. So on E, I'm looking at the y-intercept, which in this case is 10. In our original equation, our y-intercept is 9. This is a different line. It's a parallel line because the slope is the same and the y-intercept is different. So E is in fact a parallel line. F, the y-intercept is 9. That's the exact same y-intercept of our original equation. What that means is the equation for F is the exact same equation for our line, which means this is not a parallel line, it's the same line, so F is not parallel. Thank you for unlocking the magic of parallel lines with me. Make sure to subscribe for more math videos. Till next time.